How to join Modere. You might have gone to the modere.com website and you're like, I think I want to sell these products, but I don't see anywhere on where to sign up to become an affiliate, or what we like to call our social marketers. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to get started with Modere, what exactly it takes, what it needs, and all of the ins and outs. And if you're interested in Modere and you want to talk more, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video for you to contact me directly over on Facebook so we can chat more about your goals and how to get you started. And as a top leader at Modere, what I can tell you is the timing is right now. We are having massive growth, massive momentum, and I would love to help you get started. So I'm going to put a link in the description of this video for you to contact me. Now, like I said, you've probably gone to Modere's site, you've gone to modere.com, and you have not found anywhere where it says how to join. Modere has done that on purpose. It wanted to set itself up very differently than your traditional network marketing company in that it looks like an e-commerce store, which is amazing. So if you do want to get started, we have actually a separate website called Shifting Retail, which is where you can get started to set up. And so like I said, again, if you want to get started, make sure you message me. But what makes Modere different is that it is like that e-commerce store in that you don't have to carry any inventory. We have viral products that people want on social media and people are searching for by the thousands every single month because of the curiosity and because of the way that Modere's trim has gone viral. And I'm going to link for you right over here Modere's trim video so you can check it out and learn more about our viral products that we have. Now, what makes Modere different than your traditional network marketing company is we actually have two-sided comp plan. What does that mean? We have one side that is specifically for an affiliate, right? So if you don't want to build a team, if you don't want to, build that side of the comp plan, you do not have to. We have just a sales side of the comp plan, which is where you can earn up to 36% commission on every single order here on and here out, whether it's a reorder or a first order, it doesn't matter. You can earn up to 36% commission on your orders. So there's a reason that a lot of influencers, a lot of people that are in the affiliate marketing space love our business model because they don't want to build a team. And you don't have to build a team over here. But the other side of the Modere comp plan is more of the reoccurring revenue, which is where you're building your team and you're helping your team have success. And you get to pick and choose which side of the comp plan or both sides of the comp plans you want to build, right? It doesn't matter over here. So we like to say it's always flexible and it's what works best for you. Now, there are different kits to get started. So as of this video right now, we have kits that range from $100 to get started up to $600 to get started. And so it just depends on how serious you are about building this business. The $100 kits, you're not quite commission qualified. You've got to sell a little bit in order to be commission qualified. But then the $600 kits obviously come with more product and more bonuses and more opportunity to hit your first rank advancement. And we can talk about all of that in the chat that we have over on Facebook. So definitely make sure you message me if you're looking to join Modere, and I'm happy to kind of plug you in and see if Modere is a good fit for you. What I have personally loved about Modere is that the way that we build is very different than your traditional network marketing company. For instance, we do not do parties. We do not do home events. We do not do group meetings. We do literally everything on social media. And what we have is what we call our give 10, get 10, or in some cases, give 20, get 20 when you're getting started and your customers are getting started on their products. And it's been absolutely amazing for our customers and for our business builders, where they get to give $20 in product credit on somebody's first order, and then they get $20 if that customer shares it with a friend and family, not as a business builder, but just as our customer. And what I love is that Modere has 85% of our orders come from customers and customers sharing our products because they're that amazing and they're that powerful and they help so many people. And so it's been an absolute game changer. What I can say is we are having massive momentum. It is a great time to get started at Modere, the leadership, the way that we build, the fact that we don't have inventory, the fact that you don't need to build a team has truly solved the problems a lot of people have with traditional network marketing companies. And what I love about Modere is that we teach you to brand yourself and to build your business around your brand that you create. So whatever it is that is your passion, that's what you want to make sure that you're creating your brand here on social media. So like I said, if you're interested in learning more about Modere, you're thinking of joining, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link for you a way to contact me over on Facebook, and we can see if it's a good fit for you. And this is another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss out.